2023. The Year of the Yin Water Rabbit. The usual annual event dedicated to the energy trend of the new year will soon be available. Hi. I'm Stefan from Kanyu Feng Shui Academy, an international school of Feng Shui and Ba-Zi. The 2023 event will be available in Italian, and will be also subtitled in English. The event consists of 11 in-depth videos. In the videos, we will talk about Atmospheres and Trends 2023 according to Feng Shui and Ba-Zi. We will find out the Feng Shui tips for the year 2023. Which houses will benefit, and which areas will be the best and worst for making interventions. We will analyze the energies of 2023 month by month. Let's find out how 2023 will affect your day master. And also, how the Yin Water Rabbit relates to the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac. Finally, we will also talk about the new long period coming, period 9. We will take a look at how the energies of the next 20 years will change. You can register for the 2023 annual event, The Spirit of the Yin Water Rabbit, on our website. The videos will be available to you from mid-December. On our website, you can also download the new Feng Shui Guide and Planner 2023. See you at Kanyu Feng Shui Academy.